Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. First up, we have someone who has decided to go bright blonde and add in some curtain bangs to their bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous hair transformation. And then we see a pixie haircut and color transformation. So it looks like the stylist is doing an undercut for this one. Gorgeous feathered bangs in the front and a very nice mix of copper hair color. So then we move on to the next one. This one is going to feature a bob haircut and stunning dark copper colored hair. So the stylist is doing more of that mini bob look that we've been seeing this season. Very chic and stylish. Then we move on to another hair transformation that also features a bob haircut. Amazing. So the stylist ended up doing like a Cleopatra style bob. Definitely a classic hairstyle. Then we have someone who has this really pretty silver platinum color, and they are getting more of like a modern mullet style. This is another very popular hair trend that we're seeing at the moment. Followed by this chic pixie haircut style. Beautiful blonde color with this one as well. And then we have this shoulder length cut, and the stylist is adding in some layers and some beautiful bangs. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.